Now come to the next method of valuation of goodwill, that is capitalization method, third method. Under the capitalization method, we valued the goodwill. Under the capitalization method, there are two different ways to value the goodwill. Capitalization of average profit. This is capitalization of average profit. And second is capitalization of super profit. Capitalization of super profit. So under the capitalization of average profit, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit. Average profit will be capitalized with the normal rate of return, and this will be compared with the actual capital employed in the business. If capitalized value of average profit exceed the actual capital employed, that excess amount indicate the value of goodwill. See one question. The average profit of the firm is 1,20,000 is the average profit of the firm. In the question it has given the average profit of the firm is rupees 1,20,000 is the average profit of the firm. The total tangible assets is 15 lakh and outside liabilities are 4 lakhs. So capital employed is equal to capital employed is equal to total assets minus external liabilities. So total assets, total tangible assets in the business is 15 lakhs and external liability of the business is 4 lakhs, outside liability of the business is 4 lakhs. It means 11 lakhs is your capital employed. The normal rate of return on capital employed is 10%. Normal rate of return, it means normal rate of return in the business is 10%. So normal profit is equal to capital employed into 10 upon normal rate of return. So capital employed is 11 lakh and the normal rate of return is 10%, so 11,000. 1,10,000, sorry, 1,10,000. 1,10,000 is the normal profit. Calculate the value of goodwill. Calculate the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit. So we will find out the average. We will find out the super profit, capitalization of super profit, and second capitalized value of average profit. In both the method, you have to calculate the goodwill. Number one, capitalization of super profit, and as well as capitalization of average profit. So first of all, we go through the capitalization of super profit. So we'll find out the super profit. Super profit is equal to, we know it, actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit in the business is, actual average profit is 1,20,000 and normal profit is 1,10,000 is the normal profit. This is this one, 1,10,000. So super profit is 10,000 is the super profit. And when the super profit is capitalized, so goodwill is equal to capitalization of super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. So super profit is 10,000 into 100 upon normal rate of return is 10%. So it is 1 lakh is the goodwill. 1 lakh is the goodwill. Is it clear? So 1 lakh is the goodwill. This is the first. Second is capitalization of, second method, capitalization of average profit method. Capitalization of average profit method. Capitalization of average profit method. So we will capitalize the average profit. Capitalization of average profit. Average profit will be capitalized. Average profit is 1 lakh. 20,000 is the average profit. This profit will be capitalized 100 upon 10 minus actual capital employed in the business. As we have already calculated, actual capital employed in the business is 11 lakhs. Total tangible assets minus external liability. So it is 12 lakhs minus 11 lakhs. So 1 lakh is your goodwill. 1 lakh is your goodwill. So both the method we have applied. This is the capitalization of average profit method. Average profit is capitalized 100 upon normal rate of return compared with the actual capital employed in the business, that is 11 lakh. Total tangible assets or total assets minus external liability, your actual capital employed. So if the actual capital employed is less than the normal capital requirement, then that less amount which is less invested in the business indicate the form reputation forms goodwill. Means business carry on his business with the less amount of capital, and the business carry with the less amount of capital only when there is a goodwill, there is a reputation of the firm. So reputation of the firm here, it is 1 lakh we have calculated through the capitalization of average profit method. Earlier we have calculated capitalization of super profit method. Okay.